Attention 12th standard students, a very important update. Maharashtra CET is now compulsory for BBA, BCA, BMS and the BBM courses. The registration for this exam has already started. The last date of application is 11th of April. The exam will be scheduled from 27th of May until 29th of May. The exam will be in a totally online format. The paper comprises of 100 questions. The first section is English, which has 40 questions. The second section is reasoning and arithmetic, which has 30 questions. The third section is general awareness, which has 15 questions. And the last section is basics of computer, which has 15 questions. ELC's 1.5 month duration batch starts from 8th of April. The fees is 8,000 rupees all inclusive of study material, classroom coaching, the classroom test, the online test series, and the cap round guidance and counseling sessions. Do visit the institute, second floor opposite AFC, near BYK Circle, Thatte Nagar, Nashik.